Very pleasant morning to all my lovely students. As you know that we are doing chapter number 3 of your history subject, civilization and cities. In this chapter we have done so many things earlier, who discovered the civilization and what was the city planning there, what buildings we have found, so many things. So today's topic is Harappan life. Now we are discussing about the social life, cultural life, and what they were doing that time. So all things we are going to discuss today. So first topic according to your book is, this civilization is situated on the back of river Indus. We have discussed that this civilization is found near the river Indus. That's why it's called the Indus Valley civilization. So the climate was warm and moist and the soil was fertile and for the different crops. क्योंकि ये रिवर के किनारे था तो इसलिए यहाँ की जो सॉइल थी, the soil of this area is very fertile and they are growing different types of crops. We found the evidence of that. Then that time Sindh and Rajasthan. Now Sindh is now present in the Pakistan, and Rajasthan were not a desert area. They were covered with forest. ऐसे evidence मिले हैं. At that time Sindh and desert were the forested area and they provide their timber and their forest product to the Indus Valley civilization. Now according to your book, the civilizations, the desert, but they are not deserted area, which provide the plenty timber for construction house, boats, and for the timber, for the fuel. यानी कि जितना भी fuel constructions जो भी होता था, तो fuel कहाँ से आता था? From Sindh and Rajasthan. That time they were not desert area, they were the forested area. Fine. Now topic is clear about the Harappa life. Now first life we will discuss that social life of the Harappan civilization. Social life means what are the social differences and how the people live, what they are doing, so many things. So first we have discussed about the citadel. What was the citadel? Remember, we study about the town planning. Town were divided into two parts. City plan जो हमने किया था, they were divided into two parts, upper town and lower town. And upper town is known as citadel. In simple language, in the Harappan civilization, we have found so many buildings. Mostly we have divided the buildings into two parts. The buildings which we found in the upper part and upper higher level, and some buildings we found in the lower level. So upper part known as upper town is known as citadel. It means it proves that the social differences were there. Just because in the citadel area the special buildings are found. Special buildings, what were the special buildings? Like the Great Bath, granaries, town hall, which we discussed in the previous lecture. So all buildings are found in the citadel area. Why? Probably of ruler. We think that at that times leaders or rulers or administrators maybe live in the citadel area and upper town area. It means there were social differences. Social differences means some were ruler and some were citizens. Next is some people scribes who knew about the right on sheet. Some people, those who have know about the reading and writing, they were known as scribes. Scribes होते लेखक जो लिखने का काम करते हैं. तो we have found so many seals in which the many pictures and languages are written. What type of pictures? Pictographic language, which we have discussed earlier. So some peoples were there which were scribes. Scribes means the people, those who know how to read and how to write. Next one, there were skilled merchants. Merchants कौन होते हैं? Business जो करते हैं, merchants and traders, and religious specialists. The things which we found from the Harappan civilizations is proof there were some scribes person, some were rulers, some were citizens, some were the merchants, traders, and some are the religious specialists according to the remaining which we found. So about the social life, probably different from social group in the Harappan society, political and social institutions had more complex by time. It was a longer a society, everyone was equal. ऐसा माना जाता है कि in society, in the Harappan society, there were equality between the people. There were differences in power, prestige and wealth. लेकिन difference इसमें का power, प्रेस्टीज एंड वेल्थ. पावर यानी रूलर्स के पास पावर था, बाकी के पास प्रेस्टीज होता है कि आपकी क्या इमेज है, एंड लास्ट वाज द वेल्थ. वेल्थ यानी कि मनी. सम वर पुअर, सम वर रिच. फाइन. सो अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. फर्स्ट we have discussed about the Harappan life. Harappan life we have started that it was situated on the back of river Indus. Fine. That's why the area was very fertile and climate is very moist and warm, and peoples were growing different type of crops. Next topic we have discussed that the Sindh and Rajasthan were not deserted area that times. They were forested area and they used their timber for their house making and so many things. First we have discussed social life. Social life in Citadel area, the upper town. Citadel area was upper towns in which the probably it's think that rulers were live there, कि वहाँ पे rulers जो है वो रहा करते थे, राजा या leaders जो भी थे उस वक्त वो वहाँ पर रहा करते थे upper area में. Just because most buildings, large buildings were found in the Citadel area. Some peoples were scribes. Scribes means the people. Some peoples were there who know about read and write. And then last was some were the skilled merchants, traders, and the religious specialists. Now we will discuss one by one about the social life. We will start the topic of social life with the cloth, ornaments, and other articles of the everyday use. That in the Harappan civilizations, what people wear, what ornaments they have carried, and other articles in everyday use. यानी वो क्या क्या चीजें यूज करते थे. Now how we know about them, what cloth they wear, what ornament, what accessories they have wear. We knew about this knowledge that we have found some evidence, some remainings, some structures. There are so many pictures in your book in which they show the people wears different type of clothes, different type of accessories. So now next topic of our chapter is the accessories and cloth. So students, we are talking about the social life of Harappan civilization. So first we have discussed about the social life, and now next topic is cloth. ऑर्नामेंट क्या होती है, एसेसरीज जो हम वियर करते हैं, जैसे बैंगल होती है, नेकलेस होता है, बहुत सारी एसेसरीज होती है. ऑर्नामेंट एंड अदर आर्टिकल्स ऑफ एवरीडे यूज, कि यानी वो क्या पहनते थे, किस तरह के ऑर्नामेंट थे, और जो भी आर्टिकल्स हैं, जो भी चीजें हैं वो यूज करते थे, उसके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे अब. नाउ फर्स्ट इज द मोस्टली whatever figures, skeletons, and so many pictures we have found. According to them, the people wore cotton and woolen cloth. ये क्वेश्चन भी था आपका about the cloth. The people of Harappan wore cotton and woolen cloth. कौन से क्लोथ पहनते थे, कॉटन या फिर वुलन. Men wore धोती and women wore a skirt. वुमेन्स जो है एक तरह का स्कर्ट पहनती थी, और जो मैन है वो क्या पहनते थे, धोती. दे वर वियर ज्वेलरी, यानी वो बहुत सारी ज्वेलरीज पहना करते थे. ऑर्नामेंट्स की मैं भी बात कर रही थी, क्योंकि जो भी स्केलेटन फिगर्स मिले आपकी बुक में, बहुत सारे ऐसे पिक्चर्स हैं जिनको आप देख सकते हैं कि उन्होंने किस तरह से एक्सेसरीज पहन रखी है. बहुत सारी ज्वेलरी पहनते थे वो लोग. ऑर्नामेंट्स वर मेड. अभी ज्वेलरी किस किस की बनी होती थी, देखिए, गोल्ड की बनी होती थी, सिल्वर, कॉपर, ब्रॉन्ज, आइवरी. आइवरी होता है जो हाथी दांत से चीजें बनती है, उसे आइवरी कहते हैं. शेल, सीप होता है, टेरिकोटा क्लॉथ होता है. सेवरल टाइप्स ऑफ बीड्स. बीड्स होते हैं मोती, स्टोन्स. तो इस तरह की कई सारी ज्वेलरी मिली थी जो किस किस की बनी हुई थी, गोल्ड, सिल्वर, कॉपर, ब्रोंज, आइवरी, शेल एंड टेरिकोटा एंड सो मेनी ऑफ टाइप्स ऑफ बीड्स. बीड्स होते हैं स्टोन्स. अब नाउ टू स्ट्रक्चर्स आर फाउंड हियर. डांसिंग गर्ल, I will show you the picture also. Dancing girl and the priest king. Two figures, two pictures, two models we have found from the Harappan civilization about them. The dancing girl bronze figure किसका बना हुआ है? ब्रोंज. ब्रोंज होता है कांसा जिसको बोलते हैं, वो टू मेटल्स को मिला के बनता है. मोहनजोदड़ो से मिला है, वो बहुत फेमस है ये स्ट्रक्चर. एंड द स्टेटस ऑफ प्रिस्ट किंग इज मोस्ट पॉपुलर फिगर. नाउ देखिए डांसिंग गर्ल की हम बात कर रहे हैं. पेज नंबर 29 पे डांसिंग गर्ल का पिक्चर है आपका. ठीक है, आप उसको शो करेंगे. और प्रिस्ट जो है इसका भी पिक्चर है, आपके स्टार्टिंग में भी था. तो ये जो शो हुआ है उससे हमें पता चला क्लोथ, ऑर्नामेंट्स, आर्टिकल्स और व्हाट द सोशल लाइफ दे हैव. So two topics we have discussed today on the page number 26. First was Harappan life. Harappan life we have discussed social life, and then cloth, ornament, another article. Now next topic we will discuss about the occupation and Harappan trade and seals. Fine. So be ready for that. Learn all topics which we have discussed today.